Kelly.
And if it comes to killing me, then mine will be here.
You good? Raven.